Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I am taking chapter number 9, page number 128 and 29. Yesterday, already I have explained about the condition of the author with his friend. His friend was stronger than the author. That is why he could not asked him forcefully to stop repairing of the bicycle. And author was also thinking for some time that the thing which was wrong, perhaps his friend might repair, and long ride could not be any kind of troublesome. So he had given a permission and helped him, but in the end he found out that his friend was really unknown about his bicycles repairing, and he was doing only the disturbance with the bicycle. So, in the last line, I would like to tell you here, just like yesterday we had discussed in page number 127, I said, don't you trouble about any more. You will make yourself tired. Let us put it back and get off. Here, through this line, author had given his own opinion that he means his friend had not to trouble any more with the bicycle, and because very politely author told him that if he was doing so he would make himself tired, and he asked him to let the bicycle free and get back to his work. So, there it is clear that Arthur was not willing to allow his friend to make or repair the bicycle. So, students, I am taking further lines and we will discuss about this one. In page number 128, he said, we may as well see what is the matter with it. Now it is out. He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. Means what is here, when author asked his friend replied him, and he said that we may as well see. We means author and his friend should see the bicycle properly, and what was the matter with it. With it means bicycle. Now it is out, means he had told further that the wheel of the bicycle was already out, so they should check it properly. He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. Means he told the author that perhaps it had been dropped out by the accident. That is why it was necessary to check properly. Students, next pair I am taking. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere. Means author was willing to stop to his friend to unscrew the bicycle or to disturb the bicycle, and as he was about to stop him, author found that he had already unscrewed something more from somewhere, means from the part of the bicycle, and out rolled all over the path some dozens or so little balls, and he had seen that all over the road small balls, little balls started rolling on the gravel path. And what is means ball bearings? Small balls means ball bearings. Ball bearings means we can say here the iron balls are used in the bicycle, which help to roll the wheel of the bicycle smoothly. Means just like we can say here wearing. Now catch him, he shouted. Catch him, he shouted. And we must lose any of them. He was quite excited about them. Catch them. Here means he shouted means here author's friend shouted at the author, catch them. Catch them. We must lose any of them. And he further explained that if they would not catch of them, surely they would lose. They would lose any of the ball bearings. He was quite excited about them, and here the friend of author was very excited to catch the ball bearing, small little balls of the iron. He was showing his excitement for catching them. We next pair I am taking children. We grovelled round for half an hour and found 16. Means what is here? Author and his friend both grovelled. Grovelled means crawled on the ground. They try to find out, crawled on the ground. Crawled means lay down with the stomach and try to find out. And at least they both found only 16 balls. He said he hoped we had got them all. And his friend means author's friend said that he hoped that they had got all of the balls which were present in the wheel, because if not, and he further said that because if they would not get, it would make a serious difference to the machine, and if they were not using these ball bearings in the wheel, there would be a serious difference to the machine, means machine would be disturbed there. I put them for safety in my head. Means author put those ball bearings for its safety so that they would not lose again. He kept these balls in his cap. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. Means author admit himself that it was the whatever work they were doing, that was not a useful work for them. It was wrong, they should not do it. So students, this is the explanation of comprehension check 1. There are some exercises also, so I am taking these also. There are some questions, two questions also, two multiple choice questions are here. You have to see these and I will try to explain these. Now I am going through it, students, and you have to take. Number 1 is here, I got up early. I got up early. For me, it implies that. This is comprehension check 1. And number 1 there is here multiple choice question. Options are, he was an early riser. Number 2 is, he was a late riser. Number 3 is, he got up late that morning. Next there is given, mark the correct answer. So students, its correct answer is, what is? He was a late riser. Its correct answer is, he was a late riser. Number 2, the bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. The remark is, number 1, humorous. Number 2, inaccurate. Number 3, sarcastic. Number 4, enjoyable. Number 5, meaningless. mark your choices. Means not only one choice, you can take more than one choice. So here what is here, author has given it's a humorous. Number 1 is correct here, humorous. Number 2 is enjoyable. Means both words are correct and we have to choose, we have to take here two choices. Understood students? Number 3 I am taking here, the friend shook the bicycle violently. Find two words or three sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. So students, you have to see, I am taking these what are here and I will send these answer also, but before it I would like to take the sentences that expresses the author's disapproval of it. Number 1, what are the sentences? Don't do that, you will hurt it. This is number 1. Number 2 is, I did not see why he should shake it. It hadn't done anything to him. This is also sentence. Number 3, besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. This is here given. So students, this is third answer. I will give you by writing also, don't worry this one. Number 4 is here, if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? So students, here what is? It refers to the ball bearing. It refers to the ball bearing. So today I have taken here till the question number 4th, comprehension check 1, and in next lecture we will explain, we will start here comprehension check 2. Till then students, you have to write answers which I am sending you, and especially you write down the meanings and hard words in a notebook, so that you do not get any kind of problems in future. And later on we will discuss rest of the portion which is left of lesson number 9. Okay students, see you again. Till then, goodbye.